Should you buy cryptocurrency as an investment? No, chances are you really shouldn't. Now, if you already have a bunch of money, like you've got millions of dollars in the bank account, there's something to be said for cryptocurrency as a replacement for safe investments like gold and silver. But for someone who is looking to strike it big through investing, specifically someone with very little money to start, it just isn't great. And I'm certainly not saying cryptocurrency won't go up. I believe it will keep going up. It's just not the best investment you could make because leverage on it is terrible. When you have a small amount of money, you need high amounts of leverage to make a high return. For those of you who don't know what leverage is, a quick example. Let's say you're buying a house. To buy the house, you need to make a 10% down payment, and the bank is going to loan you 90% for the rest of the value of the house, which is called the mortgage, and you make payments on it. The 90% in this scenario is leverage. Usually at best with things like public stocks and cryptocurrencies, you will be able to get $1 or $2 of leverage for every dollar you put in if you're trying to get some. Not $9 per every dollar you put in. You want the leverage to be as high as possible because then you also keep the gains from the money that isn't even yours in the first place. On the flip side, if you invest poorly, you also keep the losses, so don't mess up. Ideally, you'd also go for an area that has infinite leverage, although these have very different requirements from the banks because at the end of the day, they still want to make money and they want to make safe investments. One example is buying a business. If the business brings in enough cash flow a year to well pay for the debt for the term of the loan, then it's possible to get a bank to loan you the money without you putting up a dime. Just like most things with bank loans, that's of course negotiable. And that's all. Like the video if you did, and subscribe for more.